Hello everyone. In this video I will share about the basic knowledge of what is MVC and how it works in Joomla 5. So MVC stands for Model View Controller. This is the developing pattern, developing design in application. We have to create models, views, controller and connect each other to create application. And there are three parts: model, view, controller. And the model, these parts represent the application data. It directly manages the data, logic and the rules of the application. This part is the model part, and the view part is it displays the data from the model to the user. This view part is responsible for presenting data. And the next one, controller part, is the controller connects view and model. For simple understanding, the controller connects view and model. It acts as an intermediary between model and view. It listens to the user input from the view. If you user enter something or do something in the template, it listens the user input and process altering the state of the model and update the view accordingly. So it connects the view and control and perform processes. So now we have to create model, view, controller and link each other to develop our applications. So Joomla 5 component also use MVC pattern. We can create models, views, controller and link with each other and create our custom development and our custom extensions in Joomla 5 also. Here you can write from the Mindphp websites. Here you can read the MVC, basic of MVC and how MVC works in Joomla 5 step by step. As for now, I explain for the beginners to easily understand. You can read deeply from this article. We can use the MVC in component developing in Joomla 5. So in Joomla 5 it is also used to structure components in the model of the MVC. It manages the data. This is the part of the model, and for the view it display the data. It purpose the presentation part. It presents the data. And controller, the controller listens to the user input. It listens what user do and change accordingly the user input, and updates the model views accordingly by the user input. So the MVC in Joomla 5 is also the same as the MVC. So we have to create models, view, controller in our component development, and we have to connect each other. So this is MVC is so MVC pattern is very useful in developing applications. So this is the basic introduction of what is MVC and how it works. So we have to create models, views, controller and connect each other. Then we can create easily we can create application if we don't use MVC pattern, it is very hard to create. With MVC we can create easily, so it is very useful in Joomla 5. Also we can we have to use this MVC pattern in component development. So from the next video I will share about step by step the component development using this MVC pattern. So thank you very much for your attention.